Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use card pack in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you the methods that you can try to get the card pack. The first method is rebirthing. You can go to the rebirth menu. Okay, and by rebirthing, you will get basic or base card pack, this one, as your reward. And you can also complete a quest or a mission to get card pack. For example, this one guys, this shiny card pack, I got it from completing a daily quest or daily mission. Okay, and to open it, you just need to select the card pack that you want to open. For example, I'm going to open my base card pack like this, and yeah, just click on the pack to open, and I got Cactus Flurry card. And after you open the card pack, you need to go to the card board. Wait, okay, I got Cactus Flurry card and also this one, Bloom Bang. Okay, then you can go to this board guys. These are my cards and you need to interact, and you can equip your card and it will help you in the game. For example, this one, this I don't know how to read that, but this card can increase my luck by 50%. Okay, and this one, godly collection, 25% higher chance for godly brainrots to spawn. Yeah, and that's very good. So it will be very helpful for you guys if you have card. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and use card packs in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.